It's Friday afternoon in Western Australia, and Tropical Cyclone Narelle is currently crossing the coast around the Coral Bay area as a severe Category 3 system. As the cyclone moves over land, it will bring severe weather to western and southwestern parts of the state through the rest of Friday and also into Saturday. First, let's have a look at the satellite imagery from Friday morning. We can see here the centre of Narelle hugging the northwest coast of Western Australia, and in the early hours of the afternoon starting to cross the coast around the Coral Bay area. We have seen wind gusts up to 200 kilometres an hour already and very high rainfall totals, but since 9 a.m. we have seen further significant observations. Across the northwest of the state, a number of locations have seen wind gusts above 100 kilometres an hour, and those winds are starting to build across Carnarvon as Narelle pushes down towards the south. Also heavy rainfall continuing around the Learmonth area. But further south, you'll see a lot of cloud that's drawing in a lot of tropical moisture from Narelle, and rainfall totals are building across the southwest of the state, including in Perth. And so now the latest tropical cyclone warning. At the moment, that extends from just to the west of Onslow and around the coast of Jurien Bay, also taking in Exmouth, Carnarvon, Geraldton, some of the northern towns of the wheat belt. Through the rest of Friday and into Saturday, in this warning area, we can expect to see damaging to very destructive winds, heavy to intense rainfall, and a dangerous storm tide with coastal flooding along parts of the Gascoyne coastline. So now the latest track map. We can see severe tropical cyclone Narelle pushing down along the coast as a Category 3 system, moving just to the east of Geraldton overnight into Saturday morning, but it will very quickly weaken off, and by Saturday afternoon is expected to be a tropical low just to the east of Perth across parts of the wheat belt, but still very heavy rain and damaging winds pushing down across the southwest land division. And now, if we look at the rest of Saturday, we can see here ex-tropical cyclone Narelle pushing down towards the southeast and is expected to push off the coast between Albany and Esperance as we head into Saturday night. But in addition to this tropical cyclone warning, we have also issued a severe weather warning, and we can see that extends from the warning itself all the way from the Gascoyne just to the east of Perth and down towards the south coast. To this area, you could see damaging to destructive winds as well as heavy rainfall building through Saturday. First to the winds, we could see destructive wind gusts above 125 kilometres an hour through northern parts of the warning area during Saturday morning. And for the rest of the area, we could see wind gusts up to 100 kilometres an hour. In terms of rainfall, we could see 6-hourly rainfall totals of between 30 to 50 millimetres with high isolated falls, which could lead to flash flooding. And so with this rain still to come, we have issued a number of flood watches across western parts of WA, all the way from the Gascoyne and the Western Pilbara and down into the wheat belt. And so through these areas here, we could see isolated river and creek rises with heavy rainfall still to come. So now let's have a look at the computer model guidance. So we can see here 2 areas of rain, Narelle, and also the rain band across the southwest of the state. Through the rest of Friday, we'll see those features continuing to push towards the south, heavy rain building through that warning area. But even after it starts to weaken off, we'll see very heavy rain pushing down across the southwest land division and starting to clear up as we head into Saturday, but still a few showers around western parts of WA, even into Sunday morning. And so with Tropical Cyclone Narelle now starting to cross the coast, severe weather will build across western and southwestern parts of WA. Make sure you have the latest information and warnings from our website and app. Follow us on social media, and as always, please stay safe.